guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a little piece from Longchamp. This has gone completely viral. I feel like I'm a little bit late to this game, but I'm happy that I finally got this piece. Well, actually I don't know. I haven't even opened it up yet, but I feel like I'm going to be happy. But so many people have this item and they've basically turned it into a handbag, and I love that. So let's just open it up, and I am going to be comparing it to this little one over here after. But I got mine from Holt Renfrew. I just did the online pickup, so it was pretty fast. I saw this color actually. If I can remember to put it in, I'll put her here. She unboxed it on TikTok. No, not unboxed it, but she was showing it on TikTok about how she uses this as a little purse. And I love the color of it. It's not a color that I would typically go for, but it looks so cute on her. So we are going to open this up. I finally got this little, I think it's a pouch. I think it's a cosmetic pouch from Longchamp, and this is in the color Cognac, which there's a color very similar to this. It's so cute. Oh, it's so small. That was chestnut, and I was going between the two, and this is the green line, as you can kind of see here. So my backpack, my tote, and now this one are all part of the green line, which just means it's more sustainable. But I also just love the little hint of green on it. I think the chestnut one was all the same color, but yeah, I picked this up. This was $125 Canadian. It was weird because some were $125 and some were $130, but look how cute she is. She has silver hardware. So like I said, I didn't go in, I just bought this online and then picked it up. So I mean, I felt like it's safe enough to do that with just a little nylon bag. And then inside, just nothing, just a little open pouch. So like I said, this is a cosmetic pouch, and she is so tiny and so cute. I know that Longchamp also makes a crossbody, like a designated crossbody bag, and I believe it's the extra small, or maybe it's the extra small, but I did pick that up a few years ago and I ended up returning it because it just, I don't know, I thought about it and I thought, okay, I don't need it, but this little cutie, we can multi-purpose it. So I originally thought I would get it to be a little catch-all. So in my bigger totes, like my St. Louis right here, you don't want to see the state of this. Like, this is real life. This, you know, when you see like what's in my bag, and people fix it, but this is real life. This is everything in my bag. I typically carry this go-getter pouch from Lululemon, and it's really handy. It's made from nylon as well, and I do also use my Loewe tea pouch, but that one, because it is leather, sometimes I do worry about damaging it. But so I switch in between these two. Typically for work, I use this one, and in this pouch, I just keep all of sort of my SLG, so my current wallet, keys, and then I think this is the medium Kirigami that I have that also has some more SLGs inside of it. So I typically use that go-getter pouch. Now the issue with this is that, as you can see, when it opens up, there's basically no structure to it. So sometimes if I leave it open in my bag and I just throw a bunch of stuff, it just flops around and things fall out. Where I thought this one has a little bit more structure. I don't think it can fit everything, but we can try and see in the end. I wanted to compare these two because this, which is the Nano Nice from Louis Vuitton, I think I picked this up for, with taxes, it was, you know, just around $900 Canadian a few years ago. Now I think it's $1,000 before tax, so it's only gone up a couple, maybe like $100 or so. But I originally bought this to use as a handbag because that's when the whole vanity style handbags were really on trend. So I got these attachments from Amazon, and then I just put a little twilly on, and then I have bag chains, like countless bag chains. So I thought, okay, you could wear it as a little purse like that, and it's super cute, but it's just not functional, and it's just not practical because when I had to open it up, so say I was wearing it crossbody, opening it up, you have to use two hands to do this, and then because the strap is hooked here, this would just fall down if it was full. So things would drop, and it wasn't it's just not a practical piece to use as a handbag. And I know it is a cosmetic case or a toiletry case. I guess if you're just gonna carry it like this and maybe have some place to rest it to open it up, then I could see it being a bit more functional, but even then, not so much. But I love the idea of this one to use as a little mini bag, but also as a catch-all in my purse. So I've seen where you can put the twilly around the handle too. So I have more of these scarves. So I could take the scarf and put it here, but there's this attachment that so many people on Instagram are talking about. So I just picked mine up off Amazon. It's just a purse strap. It said brown. So I thought for $20 to have a little conversion kit to turn my Longchamp Cosmetic tote into a handbag, how amazing is that? Because I think for traveling, this would be perfect. I mean, it doesn't carry a lot, so depending on what you take with you, but it's just, this is so light, and you know, it has a zipper and it has a snap closure, so I feel like it's fairly secure. And then if you wear it crossbody, it's just right up against your body. And then this is so easy to clean too. This fabric here is basically water, I think it's water resistant, so you can just wipe this down really easily. And I know that the nylon also wears really well. So here is the kit. Let's open it up. There are quite a few to choose from. And the girl I follow recommended this one just because it was a little bit less bulky. Oh no! I didn't think about this when I ordered it. Oh no, I wonder if they all have that. So this has gold hardware and I have the silver hardware one. I don't know, maybe you can't tell. I mean, you can tell. Shoot. Oh, I didn't even think about that. I wonder if they have silver hardware. They must. Okay, anyway, we'll try it on. And then here is the strap. So you can see the color of the strap matches pretty well, even the texture with the Longchamp leather. The only difference is, oh, this might bother me too. Will it? I don't know. So this one, the bag strap, you can see the stitching is white, where the stitching on this is brown. Anyway, well, we'll see. I mean, I don't think it'll bother me that much, but let's try it out. So basically it comes with these little attachments here, so you can kind of see what it looks like there, and they kind of just snap around. And then is this adjustable? Yes, this is adjustable, so that's nice. So let's put this around the handle of the bag. So I think it's supposed to rest so that this little D-ring sticks on the outside, and then you basically just wrap this around and push it through the leather. There we go. So now you can see that there's this little part here. Oh, this kind of moves. Why does that move? Am I putting it on the right spot? I am putting it on the right spot. But why does it move? Does that mean that my strap's gonna move? Because if my strap moves, that will not be good. Okay, so I put both of the attachments on, as you can see there on the side, but my concern is, do you see that? Why does it do that? Like, it moves up and down. Did I not put them on the right way? Is it supposed to go, maybe it's supposed to fit like this, like on the side more? Feels like this should have been tighter, because I don't like it when it's sort of on the front like that or on the back like that, but it's more snug when it is that way. Okay, well, that's annoying. Let's just put the strap on and see what happens. So strap, no, it moves. Like, what? Even, okay, I don't like that. So now it's just moving around. This is a fail. I'm so mad. I'm gonna have to look really quickly online. The reviews were really good though, so that's strange. Let me look really quick. So if you take this little attachment here and you push it all the way down, because as you can see, the Longchamp kind of becomes like triangular there. So you have to like push it all the way kind of down. I feel like that's a bit more secure, but I don't know if when you put things in it, if it will remain secure. You know what I mean? So let's check right now. So I'm going to put in my wallet. So this is my Miu Miu wallet. This little bag, I swear, is going to be able to hold so much. And then, I don't know if it'll fit this, but this is my Gucci pouch, and it has my car key in there. Let's put this one in. Okay, it does fit. All right, all right. What else could we fit? I have my lip gloss here I'll put in. And then let's see if it'll fit my phone. So my phone is the iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, so basically I have to take my wallet out to be able to slide this in the back. To be honest, I always carry my phone in my back pocket if I have one. But for the sake of this, let's see if this will now zip up. So I think it will. Yes, it does. Okay, and then snap that closed. Let's see if the weight, because now that I have like 4 different things in there, there is some weight to it. Let's see if the strap moves. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, so that was the key. You have to take this part here and just push it all the way down so it basically latches. That's cute. Okay, so the gold doesn't look too bad, I don't think, because you can't really see it that much. I might try and see if there is a silver now that I know that this one works, but look at that. How cute. And you can also adjust it. I did put the strap on the shortest setting, but it still is a little bit long, so I think I would I'd probably punch in another hole up there, but it does stay. So I take back the whole thing about this not being the right strap or the right conversion kit, because I think it does work. I just wish I had looked and gotten the silver. That totally didn't even cross my mind when I was buying the conversion kit, but I will link this kit down below. But I think like when you compare these two, with this one only being $135 or 100, with taxes came to $140 here in Canada, and then this one being, you know, over $1,000. It's a very different look, as you can kind of see, but I prefer this over it. Like, this is so cute as compared to, I mean, this one is cute too, but I mean, this one actually looks like a little purse with this little conversion kit, whereas this one, I mean, it just looks like a toiletry bag, and I attached like a strap there. I'll show you really quickly this with one of the chain straps, and as you can see, the twilly basically is there to help from these from shifting up, but you can see the look of it. It is cute, but it's just not practical. And then those are the two side by side, but I much prefer this one. I will leave the link for the conversion strap down below because I think it's such a great idea. And then being able to put a little twilly on this too to make it look cute. Oh, so adorable. But let me know your thoughts between these two. Which one do you prefer?